Now let's talk about the Google Slides on the iPad and how you can change the font size on this, right? So let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so obviously you can open up your Slides app and just start a new presentation. You can use a template or whatever it might be. Just go inside in here, and in order to edit the text, you can see that you can just select it like this. And we've got a couple of different options, of course. So you can change the thickness and underline and everything, right? But you kind of notice that there isn't really apparent way to bump up the text. So for that, you need to locate the A button in the top right corner, which has this underline icon, which is generally for changing the size and all other aspects of the text, right? So you can see we have the ability to bump up the size. You can see it goes by points or pixels or whatever, and you can just have the text selected and just bump up the size. Obviously, you have to repeat it for other places as well. Like you can see that the headline will naturally have larger font compared to the body text. So you just have to go through it like that and essentially adjust it this way. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work on your device specifically. In case of any questions, leave them below, but most definitely subscribe to this channel so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos.